Good morning everyone. Once again another returning customer here, which is always nice to see. Andy's brought his E92 M3 back to us for some more carbon goodies. This time, as you can see, bonnet's up, it's all going on in the engine bay. We've got a lovely Eventuri induction kit going on, which you'll see a nice carbon elbow here at the front and also a cold air feed down there at the front in the spotlight aperture. Okay, so if we wander over here, we'll take a glance at the wonderful Eventuri carbon intake kit that we've got to go on this car. So you've got the intake elbow here, which will go onto the front of the massive plenum sitting on top of the V8. Pleated open cone filter, and then this here will be what's visible from the front of the car. That goes in the spotlight duct to direct cold air up to where the filter is in the intake. So this will hopefully release a nice chunk of sound from the actually aspirated V8 up front in this car. As usual, Tim will probably get a few snips of me going through the process, so I'm going to have to strip out the top of the airbox, swap out these components, and then lastly this is self-adhesive taped into the bottom of the spotlight aperture, so that'll be a quick clean-up operation, and then a bit of heat from a hot air gun, stick that down for good hopefully, and then the all-important road test at the end, see what noise we can get. See you on the other side. Okay, and that's a wrap on Andy's E92 M3 for today. Nice subtle intake install, so you can just see the hints of carbon here on the intake elbow, and then if you get down nice and low in the cold air feed on the spotlight duct there. Tim will have spliced in some footage of what's to be seen inside the airbox, but as it stands, once the bonnet's down, what isn't subtle is the noise that will be coming from inside the airbox. So nice clean install. Everything went to plan. Andy's been waiting patiently in the custom area, so we're going to hand it back to him shortly. But just before we do that, we'll do a quick video of the noise post intake kit for you guys to enjoy. But other than that, all it leaves me to thank you for watching, to ask nicely for a like, a subscribe and a share if I can get my words out. And yeah, join us on the next one. Okay, so just got the car running. We're going to do a quick before rev and then subsequently an after rev to give you an idea of the sort of noise we've released. So this is before.
A few moments later.